start sanding and doing body work.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me to a safe place. We steady on the same pace, yeah. I'm crazy. You like that? Don't back down. No, you drop back. Keep it.
Nice Broadway mirror. Guess what we just bought from Workman? We just bought overall for Lino. What are you doing? You gonna be a workman? We are finally finishing up Cresta. Gonna start sanding and doing body work and paint the rest of the panel to paint match. And she wanted to help, but she didn't have any work clothes, so we just bought one and we're gonna start work on it. Huh? You're a pro? She's pro at sanding. Body work. Okay, she's getting pro at driving manual. No issue. Yeah. Cresta's out doing some little body work here and got new bumper. This is the new bumper I'm putting it on. This is for chaser, but my buddy Jeffrey told me he has it on his Cresta. He put this bumper on. Gotta do some trimming. I kind of marked it. This it hits intercooler, so cut it up, mount it, and I believe I had to add here or here somewhere along the headlight, because headlight's straight here, but this goes in. I think I had to add here or so, but I had to mount it and see where I have to add. Bumper is on, it's mounted. Gotta do a little bit tweaking. This is how much I cut it. I'm almost ready to paint, but I gotta figure it out here with this 3-piece different. This piece, but this doesn't line up. Gotta figure it out if it looks cool with it, but the bottom is gonna be weird. Maybe cut it, or without it. Without it won't be too bad. I gotta figure it out. Gotta sand this. I just did putty, body filler. And Lino over here working on hardcore. Yesterday I pulled, this was dent. I pulled it out and she's sanding and doing body filler. Masking so she doesn't scratch the door. Good job. I'm letting her practice all this all by herself, since we're putting side skirt and rear under, so this won't be visible, so she can practice. It was huge dent. I pulled it out, so this car's coming along and she's working on her car. And I'm working on this Cresta. Day off. My shoulder's hurting from working on car and sanding too hard, I guess. So we're gonna jump in the ocean. Just chill day. Got coffee, chair, sunny. So nice to be able to walk here from my house. Go.
先
全身入ってあったままで。全身入ってあったままで。はい、じゃあボンって。1、2の。入ったら平気なんだよ。入ったら平気。そんなこんなさ、温泉みたいに入んないでね。はい、マーメイドみたいに入って。ねえ、温泉みたいにこんな入んないでね。ダメだ。マーメイドみたいにジャボンって入って。はい。そっから泳いできた。I swam for like a mile.
マイルもある。
多くない。Back from ocean, having Lino. She's helping me with clean out the garage first, moving all the tires to the yard since my shoulder is hurting. But I posted this up on Instagram like a few weeks ago and been trying to sell it, and finally I think one guy's buying it. He came and checked it out yesterday and he said he's gonna buy it. He's coming next week. This was sold for 20,000 in Japan though, without shipping. Really clean, unmolested S14 Zenki. I just got new tires for my 180's front. First time trying Nanking NS2R. Let's see how these will feel. This was like cheaper side high grips. Josh ordered another Meister pair for drifting, I guess. Kinniku macho になっちゃうよ。頑張って。
重いし暑いし。
Got a little bit more to go. So here I am in new K truck. I officially bought this, but I bought it from my neighbor and then we're still sharing. So not completely mine yet, but we just got a, what is it called? I don't know what it's called in English, but we got like rocks. Rocks to put it for my yard. So we're just heading to my yard. We're gonna shovel this off and spread it and see if it's gonna be enough or if we have to go back and get another load. But it was good lesson. I bought those packed rocks from Amazon, and it costed me about like $50 and didn't even cover one car's space. And full load of K-Truck only costed me $3. So dumb, but good lesson, I guess. So, and they know it's gonna help me shovel too, I guess.
もちろん
Okay, watch us shovel these rocks to my yard. We'll see how long it's gonna take. Okay, we got gravels all spread. Got off the K-Truck. Are you okay? Got mosquito bites? Oh God. Mosquito got you. Jesus.
美味しいんだ美味しいのいいよ
So we got gravel off the K-Truck and kind of spreaded. So this part was like almost dirt, only dirt. So it got muddy when it rained. So that's why I wanted to put gravel to make it not muddy. But I think we're good enough here. No dirt showing, all gravel. Good job. Was it hard?
もう筋肉痛
You aren't wearing right clothes for
そう
this.
だよ
Well, me either. But now we can move all these cars back here. Got more space in the front. I think this vlog's gonna end here. You know what I mean. Smash that like button and I'll see you guys next time.